Well, the dreaded time has arrived. We're gonna start on the headliner. The lighting in here does this no justice at all. It is filthy. So, gonna try this stuff. So we go. If that doesn't work, I'll start going through the list of stuff to see what's gonna work. Because that's pretty dirty, and you can't use anything too aggressive because it will just eat into the glue and you end up with a sagging headliner, so we don't want that. First things first, let's get the floor here clean and clear. Pathways while in here. Nobody likes sitting on bolts or screwdrivers. Particularly doesn't tickle my fancy. Anyways. Don't know what I'm going to do with this. It's the emergency start. I'm pretty sure they have a genuine feature in, well, we had a 2020 GXL Prado, the wife's car. It had a genuine switch. So I wonder if you can get a genuine switch to replace this heap of junk. Big difference. Wowza. Haven't gone over the front driver's side again, but just that back there. So it's starting to look like a car that's just done 110,000 Ks. Little ways to go. Tell you what, just for a quick spray, quick little scrub and a little vacuum up, that is incredible. So I've been using that stuff as like a spraying on that, scrubbing it in with that brush that's next to it. Nothing too major, because obviously it's like a plush material, but not really. So if you rub it too hard, all the fabric will start pulling away, turning into like a like a woolly headliner instead. But yeah, I reckon go over it one more time, seriously. Yeah, it'll come up $1 million. So worth every cent so far. So a few little spots to go over to see if we can get a little bit more out of it. The camera's actually showing a lot more than I can actually see with the naked eye right now, so that's fantastic. But yeah, major difference. A few more going overs and should be even better. That's the second round. And look, you can see the difference between that round and this the first round. Like, amazing. I've emptied that many times now already, but yeah. So, progress. I was very stressed about this. I was worried that I was going to have to pull the windscreen out, pull the headliner out, either replace it or pressure wash it. So winning. Oh. That was the best part of the whole headliner, nearly. And you got to remember, this is only the second time round. Only the Bissell stuff this time, which is remarkable. You can't get them too wet because of the glue that holds this on. But, you know, chip away at it. Come out pretty good. I guess in the first episode, you actually see how bad the headliner was in here, and that it did it no justice. The lighting is just shocking, but it's awesome how it's coming up, saving me a lot of money. I thought I was going to have to replace the whole headliner, well, the skin anyway. If it was just a level, you know, nice flat headliner, I would do it myself. But that's a bit out of my depths and patience. I would have had to have gotten someone else to do it, or just ordered. Well, not even ordered one, I just got one from the wreckers. But yeah, pretty happy. Well, I'd love to know what a higher powered one could do, because I still only got the little one, the spot cleaner for car upholsteries and small animal soilings, but jeez, pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna start putting some trim panels back in. Pile's getting a bit smaller now. So we'll do the chairs. Yuck. The seats. They're dirty. Pile on the back of you hasn't changed, but look at that. Isn't it a massive difference? Already. Headliner's not 100% finished up yet, but too noisy. It's late again at night and I wanted it to dry off a little bit. Go from there. Put these trims in so I can give them the last once over. You can't put too much weight on them when they're not in the car because they bend, and last thing I want is a breaking one. So one step closer. But it's come a long way. I can't believe that. The paint fucking rubbed off. Like, really? I don't know who has stripped a car before, but you really got to work for it. And that just come off when I was scrubbing some cleaning shit on it. Unreal. Well, that does it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.